Sometimes life feels overwhelming, our minds racing, juggling worries and tasks, leaving us drained and on edge. But what if I told you there's a simple way to find calm even on your busiest days? Just a few minutes of mindfulness can help you hit pause, breathe, and recenter. The best part? It's much easier than you might think. So, take a deep breath and let me guide you toward peace and clarity. Mindfulness is the gentle practice of being fully present in the moment, free from judgment or distractions. Think of it as stepping out of life's storm and finding shelter in the here and now. It's as simple as focusing on one thing, like the rhythm of your breath, the feel of a warm cup in your hands, or the sound of rain tapping on the window. When we practice mindfulness, we're allowing ourselves permission to just be, without trying to fix, change, or solve anything. For stressed minds, it's like pressing the reset button, creating a space of calm in your day where chaos doesn't have to rule. You might think mindfulness requires a tranquil mind or hours of practice, but that couldn't be further from the truth. Mindfulness is accessible to everyone. No special tools or skills are required. Pausing to take just 3 deep breaths can be a mindful moment. That's it. Science backs this up too. Studies show mindfulness can improve focus, reduce stress, and even boost your overall happiness. It's one of the simplest yet most effective ways to soothe a restless mind. So no matter how busy or frazzled you feel, you can start small, even while sitting in traffic or waiting for your coffee to brew. Let's take the first step together. Wherever you are, set aside 1 minute for yourself. Sit down comfortably, or if you're standing, ground your feet firmly on the floor. Close your eyes or let your gaze soften. Take a slow, deep breath in through your nose and exhale gently through your mouth. Let your attention rest on your breath, the movement of air entering your body, filling your lungs, and flowing back out again. If your mind begins to wander, and it might, simply notice it without judgment and bring your focus back to your breath. In just 60 seconds, you've practiced mindfulness. Feel the difference? Even a short pause can bring lightness to your day. Remember, mindfulness isn't about achieving perfection. It's about showing up for yourself, one moment at a time. Some days will feel easier, others might feel like a challenge. And that's okay. What matters is the practice, not the outcome. Why not try that quick exercise today? Give yourself the gift of presence, no matter how stressed you feel. If you're curious to explore more, join me in my next video, where I'll guide you through a simple 4-minute reset to bring more calm and balance to your daily routine. You deserve peace, so take that first step now.